Well, I'm a huge shed fan. Yeah, I don't say that very often, but this is what we bought in a previous home of ours, and it was awesome in terms of storing your lawnmower and all kinds of other little things. In a previous property, we actually had this as a backyard shed, which was a kind of a do-it-yourself kit, and it's roofed and everything, shingled on the top, and super waterproof, very well made. And so I wanted to put a video out there, even though this is our current setup now. I'm not allowed to have a shed on my property, HOA rules, but I put everything underneath my deck. But I wanted to nonetheless put a video out there for all you folks interested in DIYing your own shed, possibly. Now, there's lots to consider. You want to make sure you have the appropriate permits and whatnot, and if you're not comfortable, of course, hire somebody. But I'm going to put a link down below for some different shed plans that I think would be really cool to follow, and hopefully one day I'll be able to do it myself and make a video for you showing exactly which one I used and whatnot. But you can check out the description if you want some recommendations, and I'll try to put a variety of pieces down there, from the Rubbermaid DIY kind of plastic one to a full-on one like this. And hopefully this will help you out. Thanks.